What's up lads? In today's video, I'm sure you coffee holics would love to see this. Let's unbox something from Nespresso. Stick around and make sure don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Welcome back. Before I unbox this package, let me just say that this is going to be our second coffee machine. Currently, we have a coffee machine from DeLonghi. It's something like Dolce Gusto. But anyhow, we've always been contemplating on getting an espresso machine, but we weren't sure what type of Nespresso machine to get. So we kept waiting and waiting and waiting. And finally, Black Friday. Good thing comes to those who wait. And let me tell you why later on. Are you ready for the unboxing? If you are, then I am. Let's get it on. If you're planning to give this to someone that you think you'll be surprising, they won't be surprised at all because the bag itself came with this Nespresso prints. The bag is thick enough and they did not put the whole thing in a box. The items inside, they are packed in boxes. So the first one, let me just put this down and say all together. This is the first box. Okay, let's check what else is inside. Now we have this Nespresso something. We're just gonna pile them over there first. Okay, I probably would say no. The most awaited part is coming out now. And this is the machine itself. Okay, the machine itself. Okay, nice. Okay, that's the machine. There is a bit of a dent here. There's a dent, as you can see. They were only relying on the internal boxes and they were only packed in a plastic bag. This is the Nespresso Vertuo. It's the chrome version. Before we open this machine, let me just check what came with the machine. The bundle came with those 4 boxes all together. Before we open up the main machine box, shall we open the other boxes first? In the beginning, I wasn't really sure in getting a coffee machine, even though I love drinking coffee. I get my coffee from Costa, Starbucks. There's a Carter's in town. Most of the time, to be honest, I get my coffee from a petrol station or a nearby coffee shop near the school while waiting for my kids to come out when I'm collecting them. Now, what's inside here? Right, I see. So this is the Nespresso descaling kit. Next box, we're gonna see what's inside. Nespresso Vertuo, your coffee passion in a large cup. Another thing that delayed me from getting a coffee machine before, when we visited a friend, we were offered coffee. It would probably be similar like this. And you know what happened? I wasn't able to sleep that night. Shall we open this? Are you ready to see this beauty? We'll open it. Okay. Whoa, look at that. This is the capsule. See that? Nice. Can you see? Have a look there. Shall we open the next box? Now, and the next box. This is probably most of the capsules, let's say. Yes, yes, yes. When you're getting this machine from Nespresso, the Nespresso Vertuo, it comes with lots and lots and lots of capsules. Apparently, This will take you 4 months of coffee. There is this, you choose, you decide, you enjoy. It's something like a subscription activation code or whatever. Don't get me wrong, the DeLonghi is not too bad. But I heard so much good things about this Nespresso Vertuo machine. So let me show you what else is inside before we open up the coffee machine itself. So these are the capsules that you're gonna get with this bundle. They are bigger than the previous version. They have Nespresso Bianco Forte, Nespresso Fortado, Nespresso Melozio, Nespresso Stormio. Oh, look at this. This will probably keep you awake all night. Double Espresso Escuro. And here comes Nespresso Arondio. The next is, this is the decaf version, the Nespresso Decaffeinato. Next is Nespresso Hazelino Muffin. The second to the last is the Nespresso Columbia. And the last but not the least, Nespresso Altisio. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the machine itself. This is the Nespresso Vertuo Chrome Edition. How do we open this up? You can get a bundle that comes with the frother. But we already have a frother, an espresso frother. So we didn't bother getting that. This comes with the usual manual, nothing surprising. It's nicely laid out. Let me break it to you gently. Whoops, I don't want to break it. That's wrong wordings. Mrs. K won't be happy. Now, machine is there. The machine comes as a 1 unit. It's well protected. And as you can see, this is a chrome finish, which is gorgeous. Wow. It looks really, really nice there now. You can see the machine itself. Something came off. I'm not sure what is this. Anyhow, let me check later on. This comes in one single unit. You don't need to assemble. The cable isn't that long. It's about maybe less than a meter. So basically, when you open the box, it comes in one piece like this. There's no parts kind of really moving, even if you do this or that. So a really good machine. Kind of heavy in a way, but it's not that heavy. And the size is good as well. This is the way to, oh wow, nice. So going right is to lock, going left is to unlock. It's a universal way of locking things. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I presume this is where you put the water. Yes, that's where you put the water. I thought these two are connected to each other at the back, but it definitely it's not. Now, this is the part that I presume this is where you put the capsule. I'd say it will be this way, and you press this down, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I can't wait to taste this coffee. I'm sure this will be a gorgeous coffee taste. Having this coffee machine doesn't mean that I'm not having any more coffee from the likes of Costa, Starbucks, or some of the local coffee shops. But for sure, if you're a coffee fanatic, there's no harm in getting one of these. So back to pricing. This machine retails $249, but currently they are on offer for 89 euros. That includes the capsules that you've seen, and apparently you'll be spending the capsules for 4 months. drinking coffee every day with different flavors and whatever you want. It's really gone down. The Nescafe Dolce Gusto machine that we have, we got it for 69 euros. It did not come with any capsules. So it's a no-brainer not to get this machine. And I suppose you'll be thinking, 100 capsules? Maybe they're the type of coffee that you may not really want. But basing from the quick browsing that I did, somehow they are general coffee. But if some of them are not for you, it's okay. You can serve it to your friends. I'm only kidding. Okay, hopefully guys you enjoyed the unboxing today. The next time you'll see me, I will be comparing this machine to the other machine. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and please hit that like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy that coffee folks. I'm gonna enjoy mine.